In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add video elements to your emails using Klaviyo. While embedding a fully playable video directly in emails isn't reliably supported by most email clients like Gmail or Outlook due to security and compatibility issues, there's a great alternative that not only looks professional, but is quite effective. Instead of embedding videos, we can use a static image or GIF resembling a video, complete with a play button, and link it to a video hosted on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Klaviyo makes this process straightforward with its built-in tools designed for such purposes. So, let's get started by preparing your video. First, you need to host your video on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. If you haven't done this yet, you'll want to begin by uploading your video to one of these services and copy the URL of your video once it's hosted. This link will serve as the pathway from your email to the video itself, guiding your recipients to view the content directly on the hosting platform. Now, let's turn our attention to creating that eye-catching thumbnail. If your video is hosted on YouTube, Klaviyo might auto-detect the video thumbnail for you. However, if it doesn't, or if you've chosen a different hosting service, you should create or upload your own image. It's advisable to overlay a play button icon onto this image so that it truly resembles a clickable video. This visual cue is crucial as it notifies your audience at a glance that the image, when clicked, will lead them to a video. Next, you'll want to open the email template in Klaviyo where you plan to add this video-like component. You can do this by navigating to your email templates, or by locating the email within a specific campaign or flow that you're working on. Klaviyo provides a video block that you can drag into your email. Simply paste your video URL into this block, and Klaviyo will showcase your thumbnail. Yet if for some reason this block doesn't work for your particular needs, you can easily use an image block instead. By uploading your thumbnail image there, you can manually link that image to your video URL. After setting that up, refine the aesthetics. Tweak the appearance by toggling the visibility of the play button, adjusting padding, and ensuring the design complements your overall email aesthetic. These small adjustments can significantly enhance the professionalism and attractiveness of your email. Finally, as with any email marketing piece you craft, it's critical to review your work. Send yourself a test email and do checks across devices and email clients like Gmail and Outlook to confirm your setup. Ensure that the image displays correctly and that the link takes you to the intended video. By following these steps, you'll create an engaging video-like experience for your subscribers that maintains functionality across all platforms. Enjoy experimenting with this feature and enhancing your email campaigns.